Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ronan Vico, and this video we're going to talk about the new function that was launched recently on Power Apps Canvas. I'm talking about the confirm message. Yes, finally guys, we do not need to use a component. We do not need to build an object to do this simple thing that is a confirmation. I need a yes, I need a no, I need a cancel to take action for the user. And I know that you already did your own component, you already make your object to use on the screens, but being honest, this function right here should have been released a long time ago. So basically, instead of using objects, we can ask for a confirmation with a message like, do you really want to subscribe to my channel? We can create a question and ask for a confirmation like, do you want to delete this record, update, create a new record before taking the action. After you insert the first parameter, that is the message, we can insert the option record. So that's cool because I can have an okay, a cancel, a no. The confirmation buttons is dynamically. So for example, if we see here is an optional options records modify the dialog box. Before we introduce that to you, check it out. When I use just the required parameter, the message, I receive here an error. The confirm function is not available in this context. Why this is happening to me? Because of the version of my Power Apps Canvas at the studio. We can go here to the authoring version and just change that to a new one. So here I am at the recommended, but I'm going to get the new one, reload and apply, so I will have the new function. Just reloaded my app and now the error was gone. So because this is new and we need to update the authoring version, okay? Here is it, the confirm now do not show us an error, and I can test just with the message. Do you really want to subscribe to my channel? When I am running the app, I click here. We can see this is so cool. Do you really want to subscribe to my channel? And I can confirm or cancel. Okay, but how does this work? This works as a normal function as in any coding language like Python, VBA. So we need to set the response, the answer, in a variable. So set answer, okay, the var answer into, we're going to set this answer in this variable right here. I can insert in a text label so we can check what's going on here. So var answer false. Okay, I'm going to click the confirm and click on the confirm, will be set to true. So here's it, true, it was confirmed. If I click on the button and click cancel, we can see the false. Okay, now we know we can have a yes or no question, but can I change the text? Can I have more modifications here? Yes, and we're going to do it. To do that, we're going to open a new parameter here. We have the docs right here, not the best docs that we have, but we can set the title, the subtitle, the confirm button, and the cancel button. Let's try the title and subtitle first. So title, and select your answer, and the subtitle will be subtitle test, so we can see both of them. Okay, when I click the button, we can see the title, the subtitle, and here's it. We can change also, let me click here to format the text. We can change also the confirm button text. So yes, I want, and the cancel button to no, I don't. And now we can see all the text was changed. Something that you can do instead of using the variable, it was just a test so you can check the answer, how it works. We know now that the answer will be a Boolean, the true or false reply from the confirm, right? So what we can do is just to insert an if statement on the confirm. So we can use like if confirm notify it was confirmed, or notify it was canceled. Okay, so that way you can have an if statement that when the user press the button, when he clicks yes and confirm, he will have the confirmation. When he click cancel or no I don't or any other word that you want to insert here, you can take the action. So pretty simple. That's exactly what we need in a lot of times in the app, and I know that you already use a component or something like that, but guys, this is the game changer function, right? I just went straight to the point to show it to you, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and share this channel so we can grow up and bring more free content with quality like this video to you. Also, you can become a member of the channel and check my affiliate links on the description to help keep this channel alive. If you watched this video to the end, comment down your feedback and the word banana so you know that you watched the video completed. It's a way of knowing who likes all the content, who watched the video completed. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.